Hey guys, Jordan here from Sharpworks. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy method for waterproofing fabric. The cloth that I'll be using is made of 100% cotton, but I know canvas and other fabrics will work. You just need to find some wax and apply it evenly and fully to the fabric. You can find special wax online for this purpose, but a simple candle will do just fine. More wax will help with the waterproofing, but it will make the fabric a little more stiff depending on the type of wax you use. Once applied, just take a hairdryer or heat gun and go to town. The wax will begin to melt and seep in. You've applied enough heat when the color of the fabric comes back to normal. Allow to dry and cool down completely. You can see by testing the wax finished fabric, the water beads and slides right off. It isn't perfect waterproofing, but you can see it's much better than the untreated fabric. Giving it a few minutes, the wax side definitely dried faster. I also tried this method on canvas. The left side is unfinished and the right side is treated. Just as with the cotton, the wax helps shed most of the water, but again, this isn't perfect. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.